If you're tired of looking older than your age when you dress up, or you are tired of looking like everyone out there, then I'm happy for you, because these 5 style hacks will get you looking younger and extraordinary again. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Of course, you already know this channel is about dating tips, self-improvement and gorgeous vibes. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Now, the first hack is to stay away from outdated trends. Trust me, nothing speaks out of touch faster than clinging to last decade's hottest looks. Wearing outdated trend can give this impression that you are not up to date with current fashion. Not wearing what is trending is okay. Of course, everyone's fashion choices are a reflection of their own taste, and their reason for wearing what they wear are personal and valid. But falling too far behind can age you. I'm not suggesting you should clear up your entire wardrobe and replace it with the latest runway looks. No, what I'm saying is this: learn to incorporate trendy elements into your wardrobe in moderation, because having too much trendy stuff in your wardrobe can be overwhelming and it will make it look like you are trying too hard to be fashionable. That is why I suggest in moderation. A lot of matured people like me don't really like wearing trendy outfits or trendy stuffs, right? But trust me, adding a touch of current trend to your look can make your style look fresh and youthful. Select ones that harmonize with your personal style and aesthetic. Pick trends that align with your personal style. You can pair it with a classic piece you already have in your wardrobe. Let's, for instance, a particular top is trending and everyone out there is purchasing it, right? You want to feel like a young person, you want to look youthful, you want to look good without looking like everyone out there. All you have to do is maybe buy the top, buy a different blazer that is not trending, then go to your wardrobe, pick up a jean, maybe a stock jean or an expensive jean, pair it with it. You are good. That is what I'm saying. When you wear trend, don't wear trend with trend. No. When you wear a trendy top, make sure your jean is not a trendy jean so it doesn't look too much. Another thing you can wear to look sharp is cutouts. Not this. This. Make sure to pair it with a covered jean. A jean, not crazy jean, not crazy boyfriend jean or crazy jean that's no, just a well-covered jean. When you're wearing a top that is open, don't wear a crazy top and a crazy jean. That is not a good combination at all. Wear a cut out top and a covered jean is another way to help you look sharp and youthful. Don't pair trend with trend, but don't fall too far behind. The next one is to keep your footwear youthful and stylish. Old-fashioned shoes can age your look, and that is the last thing you want. Comfort is important, but it doesn't have to come at the expense of style. Some of you may think this type of shoes are comfortable or matured, but believe me, it makes you look way older than you are. If you're the type of lady that doesn't like to wear heels, invest in high quality, well-crafted, beautiful slippers and sneakers. Invest in high quality slippers. Try to invest in shoes that will always look fashionable when you wear it. Shoes are important. Shoes can make or break your outfit. And if you like to wear heels, which is advisable for ladies, right? Of course, because heels are more than just fashion statement. They can elevate your confidence and command attention in any room. Invest in a pair of heels with a comfortable heel height between 2 to 3 inches. If you want to buy slippers, buy quality ones. Beautiful ones that days you don't want to wear heels, you can wear them and still look chic. You can wear them and still look classic. Don't go and be buying, old-fashioned, old stock slippers because they are affordable or because they are cheap. Invest in quality ones, even if it's just 2 that you have, but they are quality and they're beautiful. I have slippers in my wardrobe that's been with me for like 2 years. But when I wear them out, you'll be like, oh, I like your slippers. I want to buy. People ask me, where do I buy my slippers? Because I try to invest in quality ones. I try to buy the ones that will last for me, not buying old-fashioned slippers because they are affordable. No, try to save and buy quality and beautiful ones so that days you don't want to wear shoes or you don't want to wear heels, you can just wear your slippers and you are good. And when you enter a room, people will still look at you like, wow, she looks good. Buy footwear that makes you look youthful and stylish, and avoid floral shoes. Yes, invest in matured color or good colors like red, black, brown. I mean, good colors, okay? Shoes can make or break your outfit. The next one is accessorize with statement pieces. Accessories can be the cherry on top a fabulous outfit, and statement pieces can add that extra pop of youthfulness. Sunglasses are not just for protection from the sun. Wearing a bold, beautiful sunglasses can take your look from ordinary to extraordinary. Don't be afraid to experiment with vibrant colors and shapes in both your sunglasses and jewelry. And you have to also beware of over accessorizing too. Don't over accessorize. I mean, everything should be moderate. Everything about fashion has to be moderate for it to really look elegant. I mean, for it to look fabulous. Too much accessories can be overwhelming and it can age you. It can actually make you look like some old lady or some old person. No, you don't want to look that old. No matter the age you are right now, you can always wear something or put in the effort to make yourself pop out. You can always put in the effort to make yourself look good. There are some women in their 50s that when you look at them, when you see the way they put themselves together, believe me, you will think they are still in their 20s or in their 30s. It just depends on how you pick these items, and don't over accessorize, don't overdo anything concerning when it comes to fashion or when it comes to looking good. Simplicity matters a lot when it comes to fashion, but it's all about how you put it and how you carry yourself when you wear those things, right? Just be creative and play with different looks. The more you experiment, the more you find your signature style. The fourth one is to wear clothes that flatters your body type. Wearing clothes that flatters your body type, clothes that fits well, can help you look youthful and more stylish. It can make you look, more beautiful. Let's say, for example, you're pear-shaped. Look for tops that draw attention to your shoulder and neckline, like both neck tops and V-necks. And if you're hourglass shaped, try wearing A-line dresses. One of the best decisions I made when I was trying to figure out outfits that face my body type was going on YouTube to learn about skinny girls and things that fit them. Believe me, I took my time because before I always say, oh, nothing fits slim girls. Like I was actually talking to my friend, like I find it difficult dressing up because I hardly find things that fit me. So I always end up wearing baggy trouser and polo. I thought that was actually fashion, to be honest with you. Anytime you see me, any day, anytime, I'm wearing polo and jeans. I will buy nice dresses, but I will not wear it because I don't feel comfortable, or maybe they are not fitting. I will have to take it to the tailor to shape it for me, and it was tiring. I'm really a fashion person and I love to wear outfits that flatters my body type, right? Ever since then, to be honest with you guys, I feel more comfortable when I dress right now because I know what fits me. I know the type of jean I should be wearing right now. I know the type of top that I should be wearing, depending on the occasion, right? So taking out time to research about your body type will help you find outfits that flatters your body type. You're not ugly. Your shape is not, you're not shapeless. Your shape is not ugly. It's just about you finding the right outfit for your shape. It's going to help you. There are so many videos on this YouTube that will help you. And if you guys want me to make video on any of that topic, I don't mind. Put it down in the comment section, okay? When you wear clothes that flatters your body type, you look more polished and more put together. Let's go to the last one, which is invest in quality and beautiful handbags. A great handbag can be a true game changer when it comes to elevating your style and maintaining that youthful look. Before, I never cared about handbags. Believe me, I thought, it does not matter. But right now, I can't step out of my house without carrying a beautiful handbag. Even if it's small, I don't buy trendy handbags. Believe me, I save money to buy bags. Do you know what I do? I buy stocks. Yes, I go to the markets and ask for stock. I don't go where they sell trendy bags, I just go straight to where I can actually see something that is different, something that will last long for me. I have a handbag in this my wardrobe that's been here for like 2 years, going to 3 years, believe me. So what I do is this: in order to make my wardrobe pop, in order to make my wardrobe look good, or in order to look this bright once in a while, I went to buy some trendy handbags. I have 2 or 3 trendy handbags in my wardrobe just to pop out my wardrobe or to pop out my outfit. So that is something you can actually do to always look good. You can buy these quality handbags, then buy 1 or 2 trendy ones and mix it with it. Imagine dressing up, wearing a nice clothes, I mean quality clothes, quality hair, your makeup is on point, and then you carry one ugly looking or peeled handbag. It's going to automatically downgrade your look. Quality matters a lot when spending on handbags. If you see someone carrying a bag with low quality, you will know. Don't say, oh, that's what I can afford. And you have like 15 handbags inside your wardrobe and you're telling me this is what you can afford. Instead of buying that 15, why not buy or have just 3? Yes, sell those 15 and use the money to buy 3 quality ones. It's okay. Instead of buying that 15, use the money to buy 3 quality one that when you carry it and enter a room, everybody will be like, yes. I mean, handbag speaks a lot when you go out or when you enter a room, especially when it's a room filled with women. And avoid overstuffing your handbag. You know, these people that when they carry their handbag, it will be hard for them to zip it because they're carrying everything inside that bag. OMG, they will not be able to zip their bag. They will either carry it on their armpits or maybe just be dragging with that bag because you have packed almost everything in one small bag. It doesn't look good. Your handbag is meant to be zipped or pinned. This is all I have for you guys today. I hope you've been able to learn something. If you do, give this video a big thumb up, share with your friend, and subscribe to my channel. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment your favorite style hack down below. Bye.